Hello again. Welcome to Rooted in Obsession, and today we're showing off our latest obsession, which is this box that just arrived in the mail. It is from Tuxmat, and you can see on the outside you got some cool car decals. So if you have kids, this box actually turns into a little Jeep looking like vehicle.
Or for the child inside of you.
Yeah, full-grown adults can feel free to play with this box too. They thought through the whole packaging process. This package is the rear back sides of the third and second row, as well as the trunk area. So let's put them in, see how they fit.
Stay right there. And more of the fun boxing.
You can actually cut out this section, which is the
I think we should make a video of it.
The dashboard of the play vehicle.
That's the best Christmas gift of all, the box.
So like I said, this is just the back of the third and second row seat covers, as well as the tailgate. You can see how much it comes folded. There's no hard creases in the material, which is nice. You're not looking at that, being damaged from being shipped.
Oh, alcohol prep pads.
For some of those hard surfaces. So, it has the cutouts for the safety child seat areas. And you can see.
And on the back side, it actually has a label showing its placement.
I'm going to see if the Velcro sticks to it. Yeah, it doesn't. The Velcro does not stick to this nap of the vehicle itself. You do need to use these pads. I'm lining up the center one.
The center hole.
You can see here just, so these are probably laser cut or machine cut. And just, I can tell that this one here was just made a little bit crooked. And you can tell with the angles, it's just counterclockwise a bit, which is, they could probably do a little bit better on that one in quality control.
Did you see the decal, or this tag on the back side shows the location?
I did not. So this tag, my husband just pointed out, Jeremy just pointed out, that it tells you which location this particular mat is supposed to go on.
So it's got its own little road map, which is really nice.
No more guessing.
And the QR code that you can scan for the installation, pretty laid out. It gives you how to, if you buy any of their other products, including we have the floor mats as well, the super trunk guide talking about the various clips that they use, and then a cleaning guide as well and how to clean it. No, this is, Andrew, this is second row left.
Oh, third row.
No, look at that map. What does the map say on the back side of that one?
Here.
It says D1, second row.
D1. Yeah.
So does this. D1, second row. D1, this all says D1, second row.
But you can see how shaped different there.
Yeah.
So they actually confused second and third row in the manufacturing of their label. They're saying someone just circled it wrong. or whatever machine is printing this, they printed the wrong label.
Does it have the same 8791-E1? Because that's what this one is, and this is
Dash D2.
okay. So this is E1. All right. So the circle's wrong, but the letter on it printed is right. So this is actually for the left one there,
And this
this one is.
for here?
Yep. And then
Yes.
is that E? What's the number on that one?
E2.
Okay. So that's the one under the camera.
So, so far, not so good. The instructions that they give you as to the locations are actually don't match.
But the number does. So if you actually read
The serial number?
the serial number there, it does give you the correct location. Do you want to take tough under? Okay.
So, I don't know if the camera caught it, but the labels of where to put them in your vehicle, this says second row, and this is actually the third row piece. But if you look at the serial number, it is actually the correct serial number. So they just didn't correspond correctly. We have all the right pieces. Just the instructions. Don't follow the instructions, basically.
Follow the UPC code. That'll
Follow
tell
your best
you
intuition.
what it is there. Just they circled the wrong seat. But if you read the number, they've got a great schematic that shows.
And you do have to pull up the flap on the R1S to get these to align properly, because it actually folds over about 1 3/4 inches. And for these pieces, I'm aligning it to the cutouts, and that's just so we maintain access to those pieces, to those areas. Installation really does not take long at all. For these back pieces and for the trunk area, the installation for the foot mats, what do you call them?
Floor mats.
Floor mats? Foot mats. The installation of the foot mats is actually more involved because you actually need the clips to hold them, and you got to tuck those clips into some of the body cavity areas.
For quick.
Only one piece left, which I'm not confident. I think for this piece, the area has to be set down like that because it actually has specific instructions that it has to be in the high position, but because we have the fridge underneath, we just glued together these foam pieces that slide onto the end of the piece.
To allow better airflow.
Yeah. So I'm not confident on how well. Let's get rid of the foam pieces, see how that allows it to function. I'm not enjoying this piece. Let's try that.
And it could be that maybe we just put it in when we're hauling things,
Yeah.
that at least it would protect and keep some of the stuff from falling down into the refrigerator area.
So that does seem like the better fit is actually having it in the lowest position. I swore online, I read that it was supposed to be in the highest position, but that doesn't make sense for the sides. So it must have specified the lowest position, which makes sense because that would make the corners lie more flat. Let me just try and bend some of this material so it conforms a little better. See if that'll make it look any better. Yeah, that helped a little. So we probably won't have this in a lot, the actual rear mat. I wish it did come, for the price, I wish it did come with something that actually, just 2 strips would have been lovely of this material to protect this fabric, especially dragging things in and out. I would have appreciated that.
Yeah.
So this wasn't cheap. It was like $125, $150. I'll put the price on the video screen. But yeah, that's the Tuxmat rear, second and third, and tailgate, or not tailgate, but rear storage area covers.
Behind the third row.
Yeah. We were really happy with the floor mats themselves, so we decided to go with them for the back of the seat cover protection too, because we do have a dog, and if we wanted to have him in here and not scratch up the upholstery fabric, and hair won't stick to this quite as well as it
Does to this.
So yeah, this fabric stuff is just a magnet. You're watching Rooted in Obsession. Until next time, thanks for watching.